the three most important things that people should know about Commerce Resources is that we are focused on our rare earth element project in Quebec. In terms of a commodity, I don't think there's a better commodity at this point in time to see appreciation in the markets. Secondly, we're in the province of Quebec, and arguably it is the best mining jurisdiction in the world. Third, we are just in the final stages of raising capital, which may be a pivot point for us in taking us through to the completion of samples requested by majors, and then we are hopeful that one of those majors will find it attractive to enter a joint venture with us. I think the factor that makes Commerce Resources or our Ashram Rare Earth Element project unique is that we compare to the rare earth element projects in China, and those are the dominant rare earth element producing mines in the world. And so about 12 years ago, when the opportunity first presented itself in the rare earth element sector, due to China putting an export duty on their rare earth elements so that they would try to drive traffic into China to set up manufacturing to then access the cheaper priced domestic feedstock, at that point in time in 2005, we educated ourselves on what was the dominant style of geology and mineralogy for a rare earth element project. What makes us unique is that we went out, found that style of mineralogy and geology, and that style of rock and minerals is what gives us the best economics in the rare earth element sector. So we're very much looking forward to advancing the project further and to releasing our pre-feasibility study. The first catalyst that investors should look forward to in 2017 is the completion of the current financing, where we expect the government of Quebec to come through with what they have stated is their intention, which is $1 million. And so we have been working in Quebec since 2007. In 2016, we did receive a grant of $300,000 from the Quebec government in our name, which went to a Quebec research and design facility to optimize our tailings. But this upcoming milestone of a financing, a direct investment from Quebec, from the Fund for Juniors, Resource Quebec, is something I think will be very, very significant for us. And I think the takeaway really is that once Quebec has invested and owns equity in a company, in a project in Quebec, generally speaking, they continue to support that project. So if you take as a comparison the current state of Stornoway Diamonds, who are now in production with their Renard project, the government of Quebec is their biggest shareholder. An additional aspect of the support from Quebec is that the government of Quebec basically financed and built a 245-kilometer long road for Stornoway Diamonds, and this is certainly something that is under discussion at this point in time for Commerce Resources as well.